How to purchase or buy EA FC 27 Ultimate Edition. You can easily purchase or pre-order it digitally through your gaming platform's official digital storefront or via the official website. So simply head over to any browser and search for EA FC 27 Edition. And the website name is Electronics Art homepage. Simply tap on it and you'll be led to their homepage. And this is the game. Simply scroll down and the game is available on these. You can play on your PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Steam and Epic Games. Now the game will be coming on September 25, so you can easily pre-order now and you'll be able to start playing when the game arrives. And if you pre-order, you'll get up to 7 days early access. Now to pre-order, simply scroll up and you'll see a pre-order icon, the green button one. Simply tap on it and select where you want to pre-order. If it is for Windows, tap on the first, for Xbox second, PlayStation third and Steam fourth, and for Epic Games the last. Now simply tap on it and after that simply scroll down and you'll be able to choose your edition, which edition that you like. For example, the first one, the second one, or the standard edition. If you want all of the features, select on Ultimate Plus Edition. Then you'll see the price range over here, tailored to your region, currency. Now scroll down and you'll see your order summary. And after you review, you'll see the time it will be available to play, like 4 AM on September 25, 2026. And simply tap on continue to pre-order. And now all you have to do is sign in with your EA account and it will lead you to checkout. From there, just enter your bank account credit details or card information. And after purchasing the amount that is shown here, you'll be able to have access to the FC27 when the game rolls out. And that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.